Welcome to today's session of the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Celebrity News TV page. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification. Ebusan for NT I will come back and explain things to you.
The coming president, you know, yes, yeah, Bombay, and I'm my down, son.
Okay. The coming president. The Okas will be winning. Our winning.
All right. Ebusan papa bi wo ho a friend Bible nukwafo. Bible nukwafo me gidi se okrofo bebre nim no. Obekoma ebra yekotan yekoto aba no. Sa papa ya ba beka se mama be wini. His Excellency John Mahama will win the election. And Ebamu say John Dramani Mahama won the election overwhelmingly. Now, Nancy ya nanu ya na sa papa na sanko Angel Broadcasting Network. And I eko man interview no. Na ewa interview ni mu no. Obi out me share who that interview no. Anyone who watch the interview would realize the man wasn't happy. He was looking sad. And that made the journalist ask him say, Adena who shall come so people win the election. Nipa no win the election. And normally no, as I say, you be happy while appearing on the show, you be vibrant because unkosha na be na unkosha be munswa. Just say offering no be koso, yes sir. And because na me di for akasa, okasa so na ebim. And the consultation field no it will go higher. And so why are you sad? And now Oka say he's sad because prophecy Oma ebe no said this person will win. No. Now what he is seeing in the spiritual realms no enye de say or see on minka. But looking at how his demeanor and the way he sad no, what me who say nya sempa. Enya sempa nso a obodate bi. And the date or boy or see by either or see that 26 and 29 November. One of them. Was see by that date, you know, Ghana ain't the same day. Or see ain't the same day. I don't know. I'm not happy hearing this. As I say, me, I believe in the spiritual realm. I believe in the prophetic realm. Meaning say, nkrofo bi wo ho a Nyakopon timi yi ni amachire omo about the things that will be coming to happen, things that will happen, and things that are past. That are past, yeah. So I believe strongly, say there are genuine people there who have that gift. And when these people speak, no, whatever they say, no, it should not be toyed with. It's not something you can play with. It's something you can play with. Because the same person who tells you, say, oh, you are going to win an election. You will win by a great number. You will have majority in parliament. And it comes to pass. Then that same person, when he tells you that, oh, watch out. You should know that you have to watch out. But I believe, we have been to the place where we saw somebody who was voted for by the people and who couldn't end his tenure. I'm talking about His Excellency Professor John Evans Atamils of blessed memory. And it has not been a very good thing in the memory of many Ghanaians. Many of us can testify that sudden departure of His Excellency Professor John Evans Atamils distracted the course on which this nation was. There were a lot of things John Evans Atamils was bringing forward, a lot of advancement educationally and co. That would have helped as a nation. But through his untimely death, what I mean will say, the person who came to take after him, the then Vice President John Dramani Mahama, did not continue in that direction. And so it destabilized the nation. And in United Dom saw and other stuff go by. Most of the time, spiritually, it is true that you vote for a president and a vice, but the spirit of the people, the approval of the people, lies in the bosom of the president. The president is the one who carries the authority, the power, spiritually and physically. And he is the one whose spirit is backed by the spirit of the people. That is how important the president is. And the Bible no can say, strike the shepherd and the sheep will be scattered. It's a man be on it, who doesn't have a head, will not make any headway. There will not be stability. And I believe, say, if what this man is saying, and from the look of things, or your beer, or cast my beam. But if what he's saying is anything to go by, then as a people, as a nation, we have to go on our knees and pray. And can say, oh, we MPP ni, we lose the election inti. So asema eba say anya sempa, anya asema ya semdeno. You would sit down and also watch for if anything for it to happen after all. Enya MPP ni debi. Or mampeni no, or yen na ye or mampeni. Whether you voted for him or you didn't vote for him. So Christians, Muslims, whichever religion you belong to, let's go on our knees. Let's pray unto God. Because we all believe in one God. ABI, it is the route, and I disagree on. But we all believe in one God. Let's pray. Say this danger will be averted. Now let me leave you to what the prophet or the man called Bible Nukwafo actually said.
The coming president, they say Bombay. And I'm my down, sir.
Oh, okay. The coming president. The Okas will be winning. Our winning. Oh, 10 sem.
Pa.
If you saw an amotia.
If it is Ropa.
Who was all kind of hana? And your papa.
Uncle breaking news. Had a football.
Hey. What do you can I home?
Here by November 29th. Next year, Monty Asempa.
Hey.
Yeah.
Who do you first see?
Yeah, I'm saying.
And Vahu, Mamma send me why, yes, sir. Udumodu Chenin and Namana.
Ebushan for asem no nie. Asem man was a friend agro. Say obi an bompai. Emma your man penny. The one we voted for our incoming president. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. He's a man loved by many, and the people have given him their approval that he should come and lead this nation with his resetting agenda. And it is said, the voice of the people is the voice of God. So if the people have decided, then it means God has decided. I believe, Bible can say, he who has started a good work with us will bring it to an expected end. And I don't think, God will choose a leader for us at this point. A president in his own right. A man loved by many. And we have been made to know by the prophets, many prophets, that this is a man God has appointed and approved because he has a good heart, quote unquote. So I don't believe God will bring that person in just to let him do less than a year. So we have to pray. This is a call to pray. If you are watching this video, please say a short prayer for the incoming president in the comment section. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. This has been the Political Rant on GCN TV page with me, The Voice. See you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers.